Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be looking about for you some chicken breast with some bowl pasta in some coconut cream cheese sauce. Alright, here I have my chicken breast which was already washed, cut and seasoned with some black pepper, jerk seasoning and chicken seasoning. So now I'm going to let my chicken breast marinate for about 15 minutes. Guys, here I have my pot which is ready. It is hot, so I'm going to be adding a little oil and my chicken breast to this so that it can brown. Now I'm adding a few garlic cloves to my oil. Now I'm going to be adding chicken. Guys, now I'm going to be putting my seasoning to add to my chicken. So I just put my scallion on the pot. I'm putting the sweet pepper. I'm using red and green. So guys, this is my vegetable slash seasoning. So I have scallion, I have onion, garlic, minced garlic and some sweet pepper. So I'm going to be adding some scotch bonnet pepper at the end, alright? Pouring my chicken to ensure that all parts are brown. So as soon as this is brown, then I'll just add my vegetables.
A few moments later.
So guys, here I have my chicken breast. They are getting brown. So I'm just going to let it brown a little more. Alright guys, now I have my water ready for my bow tie pasta. So now I'm going to be adding these and I'm going to let them cook until tender but not soft, right? Because when I add it to the coconut cream sauce, it's gonna cook again, so just al dente. So I'm adding the seasoning now and I'm going to let this cook another 2 minutes. I'm leaving the minced garlic for last because I don't want it to get burned. So when I'm doing the bow tie pasta, I'll just add the minced garlic to the coconut cheese sauce. Guys, I'm going to be removing my chicken from this pot because I'm going to use this pot and the remaining seasoning that is in this pot to look about my sauce for my pasta. And I'm going to be adding the minced garlic to this. So this, I'm going to add the minced garlic to that pot. Guys, here I have my minced garlic. So now I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. going to be adding some cheese, and I'm using cheddar cheese jack. So if you can see, my sauce is getting creamy. So to this I'm going to be adding my bow tie pasta, but before I'm going to be adding a little black pepper. Now I'm adding the pasta. And now I'm adding back my chicken breast to some dry parsley to this, and then my chicken breast with bow tie pasta in creamy cheese sauce is ready. Guys, now here's my finished product, my bow tie pasta with chicken breast in creamy coconut cheese sauce. Now I'm going to enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys.